How to post on Instagram from your computer. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Now, first of all, you need to sign into your Instagram account from your computer. Make sure that you're using the Chrome browser. And once you are into the Instagram.com and you are signed into your account, all you need to do is that you need to do a right click somewhere on this page, and you need to select the inspect, which is at the bottom of the right click menu. And from here, you need to click this toggle device toolbar. It will convert this display into a mobile kind of a display, whereby your cursor would change into this circle which you usually see in your mobiles. And right now, while it is in a mobile option, but it is not giving any option from where you can upload anything. So there are few more steps which you need to do. Click these three vertical dots and show media queries, and then you need to go to this responsive, and from here you can select any device which you are comfortable with, and from here you can click fit to screen. And now all you need to do is that refresh this page. Right now you can see that all these things are on the top, while in your mobile you generally see that it is at the bottom, and you get a plus sign from where you can upload something. So keep watching this, that these all settings will shift at the bottom and you will get the option of uploading something. Right now, as you can see that now these things have come on the bottom just like you see on your mobile. You need to click this plus and access the folder from where you want to upload the photos. I want to, let's say, upload this. I will upload that and it will take some time. And from here, as you usually do it in your mobile, you can adjust that and then you can click next. Here you can give the caption, and you can add the locations, and you can tag the people if you want, and then you just need to press the share. As you can see that it is saying that your photo has been uploaded, and the caption which I gave her, this is also available here. You can see this now on your mobile device, that whether this photo has been and this is how you can upload the photos on your Instagram from your PC. If you want to see more tutorials on Instagram, we have a complete playlist which will be visible to you at the end screen cards. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.